We'll do our own internal program, right? Where we'll have some introductions, some recognition of the people, and so on. Once that part is done, then we'll go for the dinner. So I just want to let you know why we are waiting. That guy is a filler. He's just playing his music so that these guys can get ready for the last performance. Thank you. The musical on the dance program is over. I was misled. So Krishna Keshwani, myself and Brijpal, we'll start the next part of the program, which will comprise of introductions and a little bit of participation from the audience. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello at the end. Can I ask the guys at the end, the people at the end, please stop talking and enjoy the show? Hello? All right, thank you. The issue of taxi, I'll take over you to start, and then I'll join you. I'll come in.
Good evening all. Ladies and gentlemen, children, I'm glad to be here to welcome you. This is one of the most amazing gatherings that has ever taken place. 50th year of our graduation. My arithmetic is correct. It was 50 years ago that we graduated from this institute. So welcome all. We will start our program very soon. But first, somebody left his camera somewhere in the back. So whosoever has been missing his camera can please collect from us. ये ऐसा कई बार होता है, मेला होता है या कुछ प्रोग्राम होता है तो शुरू में ही कोई बच्चा गुम हो गया है या वो येलो शर्ट पहने हैं, ब्लू पैंट पहने हैं, तो ये कैमरा किसी की गुम हो गई है, तो आप लोग जिसका भी है वो हमसे ले लें। Yes, tradition to continue. Before we start this program, I thought it's appropriate to remember several of our classmates who have passed away and are not with us anymore. Otherwise, it would have been great, of course. In particular, three of my closest friends. Two of them were my roommates, actually. So for a moment, let's think of them as well. And we do miss them, but we will now continue with our evening. So the first item on the agenda is not a big agenda, just a small one. It's very informal. We put it together about half an hour ago. So you can see how quickly we have put this together. Karma will be here to introduce you.
Yeah, good evening. I want to welcome you officially. Even Washington is not here, he's taking care of some of the works. H.M. Singh just walked in, so he's making sure that he gets his room. What I thought is maybe the thing to do is, first of all, recognize the friends who have passed away from us, so you know who they are. And I'll give those names by branches. And after that, I would like to have the youngster introduced and the guests, and then we'll go on to ourselves. There are 13 folks from civil. There are 5 friends from electrical and 13 friends from mechanical who have passed away. Recently, until some passed away as early as 1965 after graduation, like S. Raju. So let me just read those names. In civil, the latest casualty was Godiwala, Adil Godiwala, and Ravi K. Mathur. They both lived in the United States. Other than those two is Punnu Bhattacharya, H.D. Billy Moria, S.P. Mukherjee, Dalip K. Palit, Anil Pandya, J.J. Ghosh, B.N. Singh, Kedarnath, H.G.L. Srivastava, Dr. S.K. Mathur, and Dr. R.P. Sharma. So that's 13 folks. From electrical, the recent casualty we had was Abhat Kumar Trivedi, who lived in Mumbai, and then R.S. Chaurasia, Anil Puri, Sushil Berry, Dipankar Mukherjee, and I guess I already mentioned Abhat Trivedi.
In mechanical, recent casualty we had was on January 9th of Shirolkar, Anish Shirolkar. But all the other names are Subhash C. Goel, BP Singh, Umesh Chand Pant, S.C. Srivastava, S. Raju, K.J. Shinoy, Rajkumar Singh, J.K.N. Saxena, P.P. Mishra, A.B. Mishra, Yogesh Sarup Mathur, N.K. Chaudhary and Shirolkar that I mentioned earlier. So my intent is to recognize these names so that everybody is aware of them, and we just wish to God to let their souls rest in peace. Now what I like to do is move on and recognize the guests who we have here. Those are our children, grandchildren and friends. So let me just ask your children and grandchildren to please just stand up. Just in terms of recognition, please do. My granddaughter is already with me on the stage. Yeah, Asthana, where is your all the crowd? Yeah, please have them stand up. And where is my crowd? Please stand up. Just quickly, I can tell you that this is Sangwan's family. This is Asthana's family. There is Hari Bhatnagar's family. K.P. Gupta's daughter is here. Shinoy, your family is here? All right. Okay. Bhavnani's son, Ritesh. Ritesh, where are you? All right, Ritesh, stand up. How would I know that if you're here? We definitely thank all these folks coming in. And राजकुमार बोलो कहाँ गए बच्चे आपके? अरे खड़े हो जाओ यार. ये cheers. ये इनकी बिटिया के बेटे हैं, right? Or one person I don't want to forget is my wife's Mossi, because my wife is not here, so I invited her Mossi. So she's Mossi of everybody. All right, guys? Okay, wonderful. Having said that, I think by regions, we'll make it very simple that way, you know? So let's start introducing. First, stand up the folks that has come from United States. I want to have all of them stand up. Relatives, non-relatives, doesn't really matter. You came from States, please stand up. All right. So there were supposed to be like 10 of us, 8 or 10 of us who came. So that's just recognizing Paliwal, Brij Agarwal. Who else? Bafna is here. ओमकारनाथ गुप्ता, सुरेश चंद, अरे कैसे बैठ गए भैया? सुरेश चंद और कौन? देव कामत, प्रभाकर कामत, देव महेश सचदेवा. आनंद शंकर कहाँ है? आनंद शंकर, तुम्हें पता नहीं है, तुम यहाँ रहते हो कि इंडिया की स्टेट में रहते हो, बट एनी हाउ आनंद शंकर एंड ब्रिज अग्रवाल ऑफ कोर्स. और तुम यहीं के हो यार, तुम कहने को यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के यहीं के हो तुम. और मेरे what do you want to say? What did she say? Okay. All right. Then I want a lot of people to stand up from Australia. All right, Sydney, Australia. Krishna Keshwani and Jyoti. Where is Jyoti? Hello, Jyoti. There is Jyoti. All right. Then next is from Saudi Arabia. We have a friend. Manmohan Mehta and his wife. Thank you. Okay, now, all right, people that are in Varanasi, Asthana. There is, let's see, Mishra. Anand Shankar, yes, love to see you standing up. You're from here. All right. A couple of guys could not make it. They live outside Lanka, outside BHU in Lanka. There is Krishna Tiwari and Naresh Chand. If you are interested in meeting them, we'll organize a trip to their house, okay? We'll do that. Next is people from Kanpur. Kanpur, please stand up. No, stand up. Didwania and then Kapil Rajdan and 4 folks from Kanpur. Is anybody here from Meerut? I think they moved. नहीं, तू तो पुणे का है यार. बैठ नीचे. बैठ. बैठ जा. तेरी बारी आएगी पुणे की. Delhi and the vicinity, okay? That means Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, you name it, okay? Anybody near Delhi? Please stand up. Look at this is successful because a lot of folks are right from Delhi area. And I won't even try to name them. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Yes, beta. Who do we have from Gujarat besides Brijpal? I still call him Gujarati and Alkaji. All right. Mumbai. All right. There we go. Hariom Nigam, the two Shinoes, Chadda. Who else? R.K. Jain, Bhavnani, Pradhan, Madhukar Pradhan. वो कह दिया शिनोज कह दिया ना शिनोज स्क्वायर yeah all right very good now we have from Pune all right Rajkumar you can stand up now Rajkumar Sharma his Mrs. Manju who else we have Ashok Bajaj unfortunately Shirolkar just recently passed away last month so we are and there's one more guy who didn't show up Kolkata. Next is Kolkata. Calcutta, please stand up. Subir. Bandopadhyay just showed up, guys. Look at him. Bandopadhyay is here. He just sneaked in at the last minute. That's good. All right. What did I miss? Okay. All right, Mrs. Friendly. Thank you. Bangalore. Come on, guys. There's some Bangalore. Oh, they haven't showed up yet. We know Arjun Bhola is coming. We know Harihar is coming. Kopikar cannot make it. Right? And next we'll go to Mangalore or that area. Okay, we have Prabhu and RK. Let's see if I remember the name. Swarna is Prabhu's wife and Geeta is Arkanak's wife. That takes me to who did I miss? Others. Who did I miss? Assam, no wonder. Assam. And Punjab. Let's get to Punjab. Hello. All right. We have Suresh Garg. I know Ramkishan Nayak were dying to meet him. But I don't know what happened to him, RK. You didn't influence him. Who else? Oh, Shubhandu Paul. I am from Delhi. You're from Delhi? Oh, Fit told me. Welcome, Pandey sir. Thank you. And anybody want to read about what the others have done in their life, just go through the souvenir book and you'll learn a lot. Okay, with that, Krishna, I'm done. Next.
Is a great poet. You say, you choose any topic, within 10 minutes, a poem will be ready for you. He has been entertaining us for a long time now with his poems. And here is Brijpal to sing some of his beautiful poetry. मैं माइक्रोफोन को लेके ही जा रहा था अभी इसको दे
Oh, friends, I remember all the bhabis, but one of the bhabi was very, very near my heart, and we have missed her. And she is Shobha Kukkal. I have written a poem for her as Shraddhanjali, and I want to read it for you.
वहीं लगा दो ना.
ठीक है. ऊंचाई सागर की शोभा गहराई, सूरज की शोभा गरमाई, चंदा की शोभा ठंडाई, झरने की शोभा तरुणाई, फूलों की शोभा नरमाई, नदिया की शोभा मंथर गति, विद्वान की शोभा कूलमती, इन सब से शोभा ले लेकर ईश्वर ने एक निर्माण किया, शोभा जिसकी रग रग में थी, उसको फिर शोभा नाम दिया, उसको फिर शोभा नाम दिया। शानी कुल में उसे जन्म दिया, जहाँ माँ ने ऊंचे संस्कार दिए। मेधावी शोभा खिलती रही, मेधावी शोभा खिलती रही। ऊंची से ऊंची शिक्षा ली, फिर प्रेम से उसको प्रेम हुआ, शादी कर उसका साथ दिया, उपहार दिया 2 बच्चों का, सुख से अपना संसार जिया। अपने मन के भावों को वो कविता में फिर दर्शाने लगी। शोहरत ने चूमे उसके कदम, गजलें अब उसकी छपने लगी। फिर एक दिन ऐसी आंधी उड़ी, अशक्त हो वो बिस्तर पर पड़ी। हिम्मत से पर वो लड़ती रही, थोड़ा चलती और गिर पड़ती। फिर कल यमराजा खुद आए, बोले ईश्वर ने तुम्हें याद किया। इस दुनिया से नाता तोड़ो, अब ईश्वर से नाता जोड़ो। ऐसी थी शोभा की शोभा, मैं यादों के दीप जलाता हूँ। प्यारी भाभी के चरणों में मैं श्रद्धा सुमन चढ़ाता हूँ। स्वीकार करो ये श्रद्धांजलि, तुम्हें याद कर जो मैं सुनाता हूँ। तुम्हें याद कर जो मैं सुनाता हूँ, तुम्हें याद कर जो मैं सुनाता हूँ। उनकी बहुत इच्छा थी कि वो अगर हम लोग को थोड़ा खेद है जरूर। वी आर फॉर्चुनेट दैट वी आर स्टिल हियर एंड वी आर एंजॉइंग लाइफ। सो मैं उस बैंकों को याद करके कविता मैंने लिखी है, वो मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। अरे बैंको याद आता तू मुझको, तुझको मेरा सलाम। तू ही मेरी जुस्तजू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरे प्राण। ऐ मेरे प्यारे बैंको याद आता तू मुझको, तुझको मेरा सलाम। पार कर तगड़ा कंपटीशन, पहुँच पाए तुझ तक हम थे कितने खुश नसीब, हम मानते तेरी कसम। प्यार से स्वागत किया था, आज भी वो याद है। तेरी न्यारी उस जमी का चप्पा चप्पा याद है, तुझको मेरा प्रणाम। ऊंची ऊंची क्लास की छत लैब वो चिमनी तेरी, खेल के मैदान हॉस्टल शिक्षा की गंगा तेरी। प्यारे प्यारे दोस्त हमदम तेरे कारण ही मिले, आज भी जिनकी वजह से हम सभी के दिल खिले, तुझको मेरा प्रणाम। ऐ मेरे प्यारे बैंको, याद आता तू मुझको, तुझको मेरा सलाम। तेरी शिक्षा की वजह से पाई हमने काबिलियत, तूने ही इंसान बनाया सिखा कर इंसानियत। तेरे कारण ही मिली हमें सारे जग की नेमतें, दिल की खुशियाँ बख्शी तूने और दिलाई शोहरतें, तुझको मेरा प्रणाम। ऐ मेरे प्यारे बैंको, याद आता तू मुझको, तुझको मेरा सलाम। तेरे दामन से जो निकले उन हवाओं को सलाम, चूम लूं मैं उस जुबा को जिस पे आए तेरा नाम। तू मेरा मंदिर मस्जिद और तू मेरा काबा काशी, तू ही मेरा चर्च और तू ही मेरा गुरुद्वारा भी, तुझको मेरा सलाम। मेरे प्यारे बैंको, तुझको मेरा सलाम। माँ पापा का बन के दिल सीने से लग जाता है तू, और कभी नन्ही सी बेटी बन के याद आता है तू। दूर रहते बेटों सा बन मुझको याद आता है तू, जितना याद आता है उतना मुझको तड़पाता है तू, तुझको मेरा प्रणाम। ऐ मेरे प्यारे बैंको, याद आता तू मुझको, तुझको मेरा सलाम। छोड़ कर तेरी जमी को दूर आ पहुँचे हैं हम, फिर भी है यही तमन्ना तेरे ज़र्रों की कसम। हम जहाँ लिखे पढ़े इंसान बन पाए थे हम, बीवी बच्चों से मिलाने एक दिन लाएंगे हम तेरे पावन धाम। ऐ मेरे प्यारे बैंको, याद आता तू मुझको, तुझको मेरा सलाम। तुझको मेरा सलाम, तुझको मेरा सलाम। अजीज अपने तेरे बदले मैं ज़माने की कोई चीज न लूं। मेरे ओ दोस्त, मेरे हमदम, मेरे अजीज अपने, तेरे बदले मैं ज़माने की कोई चीज न लूं। एक माला के हम सब फूल थे जो बिखर गए, कुछ की खबर थी और कुछ न जाने कहाँ किधर गए। अपने अच्छे थे करम, कर्मा ने ढूंढा सबको, दूर रहते थे मगर मेल पिलाया सबको। मेरे ओ दोस्त, मेरे हमदम, मेरे अजीज अपने, तेरे बदले मैं ज़माने की कोई चीज न लूं। तू कनाडा यूएस में हो या फिर यूरोप में हो, रूस ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हो या फिर भारत में हो, तेरी गलियों से गुजर कर जो हवा आती है, मेरी सांसों में तेरी खुशबू सी भर जाती है। मेरे ओ दोस्त मेरे हमदम मेरे अजीज अपने, तेरे बदले मैं ज़माने की कोई चीज न लूं। तुझसे मिलने को मेरा रोम रोम कहता है, यही हालत तेरी होगी मेरा दिल कहता है, यही हालत तेरी होगी मेरा दिल कहता है। सभी बैंक्वेट्स के दिल एक है मैं जानता हूँ, अपने दोस्तों के मन को अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ। मेरे ओ दोस्त मेरे हमदम मेरे अजीज अपने, तेरे बदले मैं ज़माने की कोई चीज न लूं। निमंत्रण है ये शायद है अपनी ख्वाहिश भी, अब तो यमराज भी दोस्तों के पीछे फिरता है। रहे ना जो उनकी यादों को सजाने के लिए, जो है बाकी उनको फिर हंसने रुलाने के लिए। जरूर आना मेरे ओ दोस्त महफिल सजाने के लिए, कहाँ रहे कैसे रहे सबको बताने के लिए। क्योंकि मेरे ओ दोस्त मेरे हमदम मेरे अजीज अपने, तेरे बदले मैं ज़माने की कोई चीज न लूं। बैंको कहती है, नाउ देयर इज अ रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम बैंको। इतनी कविता मैंने पढ़ी तो बैंको क्या बोल रही है वो मैं बोलता हूँ। स्वागत ओ प्यारे मेहमान 50 साल बाद तुम आए। स्वागत ओ प्यारे मेहमान, स्वागत ओ प्यारे मेहमान 50 साल बाद तुम आए। अखियां तरस गई रात तक कर, मैं अब बूढ़ी हुई कमर झुकी थक कर। सूरत बदल गई मेरी तुम्हारी, अब ना रही वो पहले जैसी कुमारी। फिर भी एहसान तेरा मिलने को आए, बीते दिनों की यादें दोहराने, मेरी सुनने और अपनी सुनाने। स्वागत ओ प्यारे मेहमान 50 साल बाद तुम आए। अब एम्पायर जवाब देते हैं, हमको कहो ना मेहमान, हमको कहो ना मेहमान, भले हम देर से आए। हमको कहो ना मेहमान, भले हम देर से आए। तू हमारी माता और हम तुम्हारे बेटे, तूने पढ़ाया और इंसान बनाया। तेरी गोदी में हम बरसों रहे लेटे, नौकरी रोजगार को हम तुझसे गए छेटे। शादी ब्याह हो गया वो माया में लिपटे, लेकिन न भूले तुम्हें प्यारे बेटे। अपने परिवार संग मिलने को आए, तेरे नाती पोतों से आए। Now everybody has to sing. माता को अपना प्रणाम, भले हम देर से आए। स्वागत ओ अच्छे इंसान, भले हम देर से आए, भले हम देर से आए। Thank you very much for listening.
Would like to say a few words. Please, Mrs. Jindal.
21वीं सदी में ढूंढते रह जाओगे, चीज़ों में कुछ चीज़ें, बातों में कुछ बातें वो होंगी जिन्हें कभी देख नहीं पाओगे। 21वीं सदी में ढूंढते रह जाओगे, बच्चों में बचपन, जवानों में यौवन, जीवन में सावन, उम्र में 57, गांव में अखाड़ा, शहर में सिंघाड़ा और पजामे में नाड़ा। ढूंढते रह जाओगे संतों की वाणी, करण जैसा दानी, प्यार के दो पल नल नल में जल, घर में मेहमान मनुष्यता का सम्मान, पड़ोस की पहचान रसिकों के कान, ब्रिज का फाग आग में आग, तराजू में बट्टा लड़कियों का दुपट्टा, ढूंढते रह जाओगे। भरत सा भाई लक्ष्मण सा अनुयायी, चूड़ी भरी कलाई शादी में शहनाई, बुराई की बुराई सच में सच्चाई, मंच पर कविताई भाड़ में भुनाई, गरीबों की खोली आंगन में रंगोली, विदाई में डोली मिठास भरी बोली, गाता हुआ गांव पनघट की छाँव, किसान का हल मेहनत का फल, मेहमान की आस छाछ का गिलास, चहकता पनघट लंबा लंबा घूंघट, लज्जा से थरथराते होंठ और पहलवान का लंगोट, ढूंढते रह जाओगे। आपस में प्यार भरा पूरा परिवार, कल में आज संगीत में रियाज, बातचीत का रिवाज दोस्ती में लिहाज, सड़क किनारे प्याऊ संबंधों में ताऊ, 2 रुपए उधार और नेता ईमानदार, ढूंढते रह जाओगे।
Well, we've had some wonderful poems and we've remembered our friends, and now we have a change of pace, change of tone, and that I shall provide by playing my flute. I have learned this sort of, first I learned it at the music college here at BHU, and that was just introduction, and then I sort of, from time to time, I taught myself, and I'm not a regular great player, but I will try. I'll play this little bit, just a minute. By Neha, Karma's daughter.
Talk on communication. My background is as a mechanical and biomedical engineer. I then went into medical school and I became an internal medicine physician, so I learned also about health. And through all of my schooling and my work, what I learned is that very many smart people in the world, very, very smart people, have never learned some basics about communication. So when I walked into the hall, I saw there was a whole circle of men sitting, and then all the ladies were sitting separately. And so I went over, we were all laughing about it, and I thought, I know exactly what I'm going to talk about. People, no matter where I go in the world, they want is to feel appreciated and valued, yes? Yes. And when we don't feel appreciated and valued, especially in our relationships, it causes a big problem, yes? So how about if we learn, I thought of, my dad doesn't know this, but I'm going to use him and my mother as an example. So one way that's very interesting is they came to a communication workshop with me, and I realized how easy it is for people to love each other and appreciate each other, and the other person not even recognize the appreciation that you're getting from someone else. So I'd like you to bring to mind, and we'll take care of this at the end in about 10 minutes. I want you to bring to mind, just think inside yourself, one incident in your life where you felt very appreciated. Okay, bring to mind. It can be by a friend, by your child, by a colleague, by your spouse. I want you to bring to mind, each person, bring to mind one time where you felt very much appreciated. Remember that one experience that was so important and you felt appreciated. Okay? We'll come back to that at the very end. So I was teaching a communication workshop, and both my mother and father were in the workshop. Both my mom and dad agreed to go to a 7-day workshop on communication that I was teaching. And while we were there, I asked them to think about how they feel appreciated. And my mom raised her hand and said, but, you know, your dad doesn't really say he loves me out loud. And I said, oh, Mom, that's interesting. I'm going to teach you about how he shows you that he loves you, right? Because it's a different way. My dad's not someone who just outwardly says, hey, I love you, I love you. He doesn't say it out loud, right? But he does many gestures that show it, right? So there's something called the 5 languages of appreciation, okay? So I want you to pay attention. I want you to remember the way that you felt most appreciated by your friend, okay? So the first one is words of affirmation. That somebody says, you're amazing, thank you so much. You're wonderful, I can really care about you. Those are words of affirmations. Or if when you thought of how you felt really appreciated, if it was in a card, that someone wrote you an email or they sent it in a card. The first type is words of affirmation. How many of you, when you thought of the way that you felt appreciated, it was words of affirmation? Someone wrote you a card, someone said something to you. Okay, great. About a fifth of you. The second way that people feel appreciated is by spending quality time with one another. So, someone may feel most appreciated if you actually, so a child, this little one right here, is a great example. Children, no matter what you give them, what do they want from you? Cost a lot of money. Sometimes they don't cost anything. Like when a child draws you a picture and they give it to you, that also is a gift. Or a gift can also be something very expensive, a piece of jewelry, a trip, something like that. Gifts are another way because it shows that if someone picks something for you and they know you, they know what you would like, it's just exactly what you would like, people often feel very appreciated by that. So gifts. How many of you know that when somebody really thinks thoughtfully, yes, about a gift, yes, that it says a lot about them, right? And you feel very appreciated. So I'm going to review here. The first one was words of affirmation. We have 2 more. The fourth one is acts of service. Acts of service are when you do something kind for someone. One example I can say my dad has always done for me is he's always taken care of the cars for me. Whenever I come home, he fills the gas, washes the car, makes sure it has oil, he checks everything. He's always taking care to make sure that things around me are well taken care of, right? So acts of service, sometimes it can be making food for people, right? Making meals for them. Sometimes it's just taking care of them. I know that when I was studying through my schooling, every morning my dad wakes me up with chai. So I know this the most when I'm pretty affectionate, so when I'm talking to my patients or my clients and I have to give them a diagnosis that's scary, or I have to give them some bad news, I always put my hand on their shoulder or on their hand. Or just, when I meet people or greet them, I usually give them a hug. That's because physical touch is one of my big ways that I show appreciation, right? So how many of you know that physical touch is one of the ways that you feel appreciation from someone, right? Great. Okay, so about half of you. So now, bring back, I'll give you one example and then we'll wrap it up and I'll bring it back to your example that we began with. So I got asked to speak about communication in Saudi Arabia. So as a woman, right, and I was going there to teach them about communication. Now, the important thing is, you must know what your language of appreciation is. Has that person come to mind? You got it? Someone for whom your communication might be a little bit different. When you give appreciation to someone else, most people tend to give it in the way that they receive it. So can you imagine, as I'm going to Saudi Arabia, if I start hugging everybody, Oh my gosh, right? It's a big problem. I think them is in the way that they receive. Which love language do you think that they receive in? Words. If you want to know what way someone else receives, watch how they give to you. And the Saudis were very generous. They kept giving. So if you're wondering, you can ask them too. You can say, hey, which way, feels the most appreciative to you? Or you can watch how they give to others. That's how you can. Anybody tell me, do you have more than one way that you receive appreciation? More than one? Yeah. Now bring to mind that relationship. In what way did you receive that appreciation? That's your language. And now bring to mind that person who was a little bit difficult to communicate with, and give for 7 days to that person in the way that they best receive. So your job is to get good at all the other ways of giving. The other 4 ways, if you get good at those, you'll be able to bridge a connection to everyone else. Okay, thank you. I just wanted to...
Communication is extremely important, and young and old, everyone, at every part of life, communicate with your friends, with your spouses, with your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren. We have here someone who is a great-great-grandfather. Astana ji, perhaps? Yeah? Righto. Well, next we have none other than Karma himself. He's going to sing a couple of songs for you. Karma?
Rajkumar Sharma first. RK, are you ready? Or you want to have your soup? So I should go on? Okay. 63, we had the China-Indo War. Was 63 or 62? 62, okay. So in 63 function, the annual function we used to have, I remember that one of our professors, I don't remember his name, but he wrote a patriotic song about that war with China. And the perfect guy who would have sung this song would have been Yogesh Sarup Mathur, who is no more with us. So, but I liked it so much that I learned it from Yogesh, and that's the patriotic song I'll sing for you. And some of you might remember it, that's good. Am I too loud here? Is that okay? Okay. No Senani, कफन बांध सर चलना है, उठो हिंद के नौसेनानी, कफन बांध सर चलना है, आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है, आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है, तैयार हो जाओ होशियार हो जाओ, होशियार हो जाओ, एक नहीं लाखों लड़ाइयाँ हमने ऐसी जीती हैं, दुनिया डर से कांप उठे ऐसी कुर्बानी दे दी है, एक नहीं लाखों लड़ाइयाँ हमने ऐसी जीती हैं, दुनिया डर से कांप उठे ऐसी कुर्बानी दे दी, मैं खून की होली खेली है, मरते दम तक सबने मुंह से जय भारत की बोली है, जलियांवाला बाग देखो अपनी कहानी कहता है, वीर सुभाष और भगत सिंह का खून यहीं पर बहता है, इतनी पावन आजादी की रक्षा फर्ज हमारा है, इतनी पावन आजादी की रक्षा फर्ज हमारा है, आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है, आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है, तैयार हो जाओ होशियार हो जाओ, भाई जिन्हें समझा था हमने पंचशील का दान दिया, आज उन्हीं लोगों ने हम पर धोखा देकर वार किया, भाई जिन्हें समझा था हमने पंचशील का दान दिया, आज उन्हीं लोगों ने हम पर धोखा देकर वार किया, दोस्त नहीं ये असली दुश्मन आज सभी ने जान लिया, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबने है पहचान लिया, मार भगाओ इन्हें यहाँ से ये सब है कायर इंसान। एक बार फिर खून बहा दो, डरो नहीं अर्जुन संतान। खून हमारा कितना महंगा आज हमें दिखलाना है। खून हमारा कितना महंगा आज हमें दिखलाना है। आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है। आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है। तैयार हो जाओ, होशियार हो जाओ। Now here's the last paragraph. भूमि हम हैं ऋषियों की संतान, अन्यायी से झुके नहीं हैं, सत्य पे दे दी हमने जान। राम कृष्ण की जन्म भूमि ये हम हैं ऋषियों की संतान, अन्यायी से झुके नहीं हैं, सत्य पे दे दी हमने जान। गीता का संदेश हमें घर घर में आज जगाना है। भीम और अर्जुन को फिर से आज यहाँ पर लाना है। समय आ गया वीरों, तुमको चंद्रगुप्त बनना होगा। शर्म छोड़ दो बहनों, तुमको रानी झांसी बनना होगा। टूट पड़ो दुश्मन पर, फिर ये देश हमारा अपना है। टूट पड़ो दुश्मन पर, फिर ये देश हमारा अपना है। आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है। आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है। आजादी में जीना है तो हंसते हंसते मरना है।
Krishna, if it's okay, that was my last and the first song, and I'll.
इतने दिन के बाद मिले हैं, इतनी भावनाएं, इमोशंस कि कभी कभी कम्युनिकेशन अटक जाता है। अभी जैसा बेटी ने कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में बताया, बट व्हेन देयर इज सर्ज ऑफ इमोशंस, memories and experiences, it's very difficult to settle down what can flow first. However, I take myself back to the lobbies of our hostel and the song which I used to hear from our great poet Gopal Das Neeraj. I'll try to remember it again and share with you. I hope I'll try to do the justice with the song, but my memory, my throat, if deceives your expectation, please do not blame me. You can blame it on the time which has gone through. Anyway. मीत चुभे शूल से लुट गए सिंगार सभी बाग के बबूल से, और हम खड़े खड़े बहार देखते रहे। कारवां गुजर गया गुबार देखते रहे। आंख भी खुली न थी कि हाय धूप ढल गई। पांव जब तलक उठे कि राह रथ निकल गई। पात पात झर गए कि शाख शाख जल गई। फांस तो निकल सकी न पर उम्र निकल गई। गीत अश्रु बन चले, छंद हो हवन चले। साथ के सभी दिए धुआं पहन पहन चले, और हम खड़े खड़े गुबार देखते रहे। कारवां गुजर गया गुबार देखते रहे। आंख थी मुझे मिली कि अश्रु अश्रु बीन लूं। आंख थी मुझे मिली कि अश्रु अश्रु बीन लूं, और होठ यूं के चूम हर नजर हसीन लूं। दर्द था दिया गया कि प्यार से यकीन लूं, और गीत यूं के चांद का चिराग छीन लूं। हो सका न कुछ मगर शाम बन गई सहर। साथ के सभी किले ढह गए बिकर बिकर, और हम लुटे लुटे वके। कारवां गुजर गया गुबार देखते रहे। मांग भर चली एक जब नई नई किरण। मांग भर चली एक जब नई नई किरण। शोर मच गया कि लो चली दुल्हन चली दुल्हन चली दुल्हन। गांव सब उमड़ पड़ा बहक गए नयन नयन। ढोल के ठुमक उठे चरण चरण। किंतु तभी विष भरी गाज एक वह गिरी। पूछ गया से दूर तार तार हुए चोनरी। और हम अजान से दूर के मकान से पालकी लिए हुए कहार देखते रहे, कारवां गुजर गया गुबार देखते रहे। एक रोज एक गेह चांद जब नया उगा, एक रोज एक गेह चांद जब नया उगा, नौबतें बजी हुई छठी डठौन रत जगा, कुंडली बनी के जब मुहूर्त पुण्य में लगा, इसलिए कि दे सके न मृत्यु जन्म को दगा। एक दिन न पर हुआ उड़ गया पलास हुआ, कुछ न कर सके शगुन न काम आ सके दुआ, और हम डरे डरे नीर नयन में भरे, ओढ़ कर कफन पड़े मजार देखते रहे।